building, man. We working smart, doing it for the city, man. My three, we build Houston, man. Houston strong. Believe that.
Yes, and thank you so much for your time, Flip. We really appreciate you coming out.
No problem.
On behalf of Power Media and MI3. But of course, I want to ask you, what influenced you to go ahead and participate in this award?
Trey, shout out to Trey. You know, he told me about what was going on, and you know, my little brother, he always hoop. He go hoop 24-hour fitness all the time. I used to hoop. I was 3-point champion at Punjab Middle School and free throw champion.
We find out Punjab Middle School?
Yeah, 2 years in a row. Yeah, so rest in peace to Coach Miller. So then I hooped at Worthing for 2 years, and the rap took off. So I started making more money at rap than sports, so I stuck with the music. But yeah, definitely it's for the city. You know, you got to stand up for your city, especially you born and raised here. They see and support me, you know what I mean? So we go do a whole bunch of stuff. We do a lot of stuff for the Harvey. I'm just one of them people, if I donate, I don't call the media and be like, hey, I'm gonna get my blessings from God at the end of the day. But at the same time, we live in an era where people feel like if you're not doing nothing or if you're not putting it on social media,
you're not doing it.
So I dibble and dabble. I do some where I'll bring cameras and show what we're doing, and then some I just do behind the scenes.
Okay, so I know you mentioned that you're extremely involved in the community. But name some other efforts besides for Harvey that you're involved in.
We got the Art Over Drugs movement. The mayor, best attorney, gave me my own day, Lil Flip Day on March 3rd.
Shout out to him for that.
Yeah.
Hello.
So appreciate that. And what we do with the kids is Art Over Drugs movement. So we teach them how to paint, have art auctions, so they ain't got to be stressing their mama and daddy out over them Jordans. You can go buy your own Jordans. We teach them how to play instruments, and we teach them how to act. So you can have different trades, because a lot of times people wait till they get in high school to figure out what they want to be. Some people, you know, middle school, but imagine being 8, 9 years old, making thousands of dollars off of art. Already knowing how to act, already being in commercials, because you know, I got a lot of connections with different people. So we just get the kids ready so they don't be, you know, have that sense of entitlement, feel like people owe them something. Nah, you can be a millionaire as a kid. And I'm a attest to that. So we give back.
That's awesome. So I do have to ask, I know you were mentioning to me earlier before this interview that you do hoop, but when's the last time you've actually been on the court?
Last time we hooped was like 2 weeks ago, 24-hour fitness. Okay. Yeah, that's messed my knee up just a little bit, you know, but I'm gonna give myself another 2 weeks before I just get back out there and try to, you can't play, you know, like when it comes to playing defense, you don't want to be the person that shoots, but don't play defense. I pride myself on being a defender and a shooter, so yeah.
That's what I was gonna ask you, what position do you play?
I played point guard. Punjab Middle School and Worthing, and then I played in a couple leagues with my church and stuff. I was point guard, but now that I'm older, I'm more content with being shooting guard. Like when I watch Steph Curry shoot, when I watch him shoot, it reminds me of me, because some coaches, if you shoot, you know, the shot too far behind the key, they'll take you out the game.
Yeah, I know. But
my coach, they would let me shoot from wherever, you know, so I'm a shooter. I just love shooting.
So I know the NFL has started. Do you have a favorite team just because we're in season? Oh, Houston. Houston strong. Let's go Texas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got like 5 favorite teams, but Houston is number 1. Dallas is number 2.
Okay.
You know, who else I like? Like Houston, Dallas. Well, Peyton, he left the Broncos, so I like, you know, Broncos when Peyton was there. Who else I love watching, man? AP, he with the Saints now. You know, I used to watch the Vikings a lot. You know, the Patriots, they go do their thing regardless.
Yeah.
Tom Brady, he's a beast. Who would my 15 be? Changes up. I gotta go with Russell. I like Russell Wilson. I like his agility. I hate that beast mode ain't on there. So now it might, you know, the Raiders now, because I just love the way Marshawn played. Like I play football too. Like I was running back, kicker, safety, quarter.
You played it all pretty
I
much.
play football, baseball, basketball, box, taekwondo, all of that.
So what would you have to say was your favorite sport? Or is your favorite
Basketball, because it's less wear and tear on your body. Football, you get hit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You gotta run outside. Basketball, we get to play in the gym.
Outside, in the
condition.
rain.
Yeah, but we get the air conditioning. See, we in Houston, so
Yeah.
you get, like, I had family members that had heat strokes from being out there in that heat. Yeah, so it be so hot out here. But basketball, we get to be in the gym, air conditioning. That football, you out there about to die. Gatorade ain't gonna do it, man. So, you know, I love basketball. I just love basketball. I think it's a dope sport.
Well, Flip, thank you so much
No problem.
again on behalf of Harvey.
Houston strong.
Houston strong.
Much love.